I'm Ellen Miller, Shapes Beauty Director, and I'm going to tell you how to get the perfect look for a girl's night out. The most important thing is to feel sexy and confident, so you want to play with unexpected colors and go all out. For luminous skin that will last all night, you want to go with a foundation with staying power. Try Revlon Color Stay Aqua Makeup. A little shimmer on your upper cheekbone will catch the light and make your skin look pretty and alive. Add some interest to your eyes with a bright color. We love Revlon Customized Shadow and Liner and Party Pops. Use the pointed tip of the applicator to line your eyes in a pretty shade of plum. Glossy lips are perfect for a night out with the ladies. Try Revlon Color Burst Lip Gloss in Pink Ice. With Tiffany's rockin' new look, an outfit from Aritzia, she's ready to take on the town with her favorite group of girlfriends.